Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making Gulper Slurry. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, we're going to cut up the vegetables, which starts off with cutting up 2 celery ribs, which are just like singular stalks. Then, even though I accidentally did not record it, you're going to cut up 1 medium yellow onion. And finally, you're going to mince 3 cloves of garlic. Mincing does kind of suck, especially with garlic, because it makes everything sticky, but if you don't want to mince it, you can just probably garlic press it and it'll work as well. Actually, final one. You're going to peel and cube 3 Yukon Gold potatoes. Now, in a Dutch oven over medium heat, you're going to cook 3 slices of thick cut bacon. You want it to be fairly crispy enough so you can actually crumble it. And once you have cooked it, do not drain any oil out of the pan while you're doing this. Now, into the rendered bacon fat, you're going to add your celery, onions, and garlic. And you're going to cook that until it's softened. Then you're going to grab 2 10-ounce cans of whole clams and you're going to drain them into the Dutch oven. Careful to not get any of the actual clam meat in there yet. At the same time you drain the cans in, you're going to add in a cup of vegetable broth, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and your potatoes. Turn it up to medium-high and bring it up to a simmer, and you're going to cover and reduce the heat to medium-low for 15 minutes until the potatoes are tender. I did not reduce the heat. That makes so much sense because the potatoes were very tender. Whoops. It worked. It's fine. Now you're going to remove the bay leaves, add in a cup of heavy cream, a cup of half and half, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and your clam meat. And you're going to just heat up the soup until it's warm, but it's not like boiling or anything. And then you're going to mix together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water in a small bowl. So it creates a slurry. Mix that in, stir it until it thickens, and finally season with salt and pepper. This was very good. The Sturdy Valley clam chowder does not hold up to this one. The bacon definitely helps, but I think just the general, this clam chowder works better than the one from the Starter book. Not that the one in the Starter book was bad by any means. It was still very good. This one's just better. So I think it's either a 9 or a 9.5 out of 10. I'm leaning a little bit more towards 9.5, but I'm going to leave it up to future me to really decide. Highly recommend. 9 to 9.5 out of 10, yeah.